Good morning. I am a patriarch sitting on top of the mountain. I say to you, Pharaoh, let my first son go, so that they can come serve me. And if you don't release my sons, I will come kill your son, thus said the Lord. Babylon, let my kids go. Pharaoh, Babylon system have a quota in every country where they have to legally, by law, under the support of the leadership, will supply them needs. They have to, in the contract, give back soul for you. Your soul is money. You have spiritual entity live in the center of the world where every leader collect aid from them. So they have to do what the leader tell them to do. It's principality, powers in high place. You see the increase in killing because the quota has increased. The population increase. Pharaoh Babylon system issuing out a quota to kill all the male. If I look in the book of Genesis, when the fine angel them come up and start sleep with the woman them to take control. So man, the population is out an increase because them want human and robot demon system to intermarried to produce the demonic seed. So we as man on the list to die per year, the quota is raised. The quota has risen. And now at the end of the year, and the quota have to be fulfilled. Because Pharaoh want to depopulate. Pharaoh, let my people go. Governing body, stop allowing you to be used by Pharaoh. God said, let my kids go. Governing body, let my kids go. The wrath of God coming upon you, governing body. Let my people go. Military, let my people go. Stop oppress God people, killing them for no reason at all, for meeting the quota. Because we don't want to depopulate mankind. So killing them is a business for who no pretend say they're killers. Pharaoh, let my people go. Firstborn son, get back to the altar. Get back to the mountain. Get back to the mountain. God rise me up. Approach as a patriarch to open the eyes of his firstborn son. The beast has risen against us. Babylon has risen against us. The governing body has risen against us to take out rapidly, especially at the end of the year, because the quota need to be matched. Your soul is needed by demon to possess. Because they might reincarnate back mankind in them demonic ways. Remember, soul is a business. Demon wants souls to capture. So killing you, them automatically capture your soul. You know why? We chat people, we thief, we rob, we fornicate. So anybody naturally do this thing, your soul being captured. Because why? We not repent to God. We're not repenting because we have anger, fit of rage, hatred, fornication, all kind of drug smoking, drinking, because the mind being captured. We have to see what's happening. Key the use of pleasure. Young man, your life value everything to this Babylon system. They need you. Satan need your soul. So killing you, it's a blessing for them because you value so much to them. Mankind, get back to the post and stop be a bait by go around and rob and kill and steal. Them happy to do these things because it's an excuse. It's an excuse to kill publicly. We don't care. It's an excuse. That's why them kill innocent people and go stay lie because it's an excuse, a system them create to kill off us as God kids. The beast has risen. The quota has to make. The Senegal leaders send out the quote. Why? The Senegal leaders sent out the quote. Why are the nation in uproar, in turmoil against God? And why the people devise their scheme against the Lord? The kings of the earth, the leaders, the president, the kings, combine with Satan and go against the Lord, anointed saying. Firstborn son, we have to get back to the gospel and the only way out. Firstborn son in the book of Acts 4:12, and there is salvation in no other name. For there is no other name in heaven and earth has been given the power, authority amongst mankind. We must all serve Jesus Christ. God take the power from Pharaoh and crush Satan. All power being entrusted to Jesus Christ, the Son of God, God in man flesh, to give we but the power. Remember, Satan have power. Satan take power when Adam fall, and he use it now against us. We have the power to trample Satan, trample Babylon system. Every power Satan use is our power when we disarm Adam, the first father, mother, Adam and Eve. Disarm them and have with no oppression. Remember, disarm by the enemy. Every night, I disarm back Satan in my dream, in vision. In comfort, try to oppress me. I have destroy back every power to teach you. Man, wake up and stop sleep. wake up and start prayer, read the Bible, roar, grow thy spirit. I just been wake up this what? 3 o'clock now in England, and I'm groaning for you. A spiritual attack is real. And why I gotta wake up my spirit and start fight spirit of darkness to open your eyes. Because I take back every dominion, every power I take back just for you. Sons of God, rise. The beast is up against us. They're going to meet the quota by killing us daily. Because we sold mean money to them. If I open their eyes and stop being led by drunkenness and blindness, you're going to be oppressed if not open the eyes. Thus said the Lord, risen, sons of God.